Welcome to the first video in our Data Structures in Java series. In this series, we will explore the fascinating world of data structures and learn how to implement them using the Java programming language. Let's start by understanding what data structures are. Data structures are a fundamental concept in computer science and programming. They are a way to organize and store data efficiently so that we can perform operations on that data quickly and effectively. Now, you might be wondering, why are data structures so important in programming? Well, think of data structures as the foundation of any software application. They allow us to organize data in a way that makes sense for the problem we're trying to solve. Moreover, the choice of the right data structure can significantly impact the efficiency of our code. It can make the difference between lightning-fast programs and sluggish ones. Now that we understand the importance of data structures, why are we using Java for this series? Java is a versatile and widely used programming language. It's known for its platform independence, which means code written in Java can run on various operating systems without modification. Java also comes with a rich standard library that includes built-in data structures, making it an excellent choice for learning and implementing data structures. Moreover, Java is in high demand in the software development industry. Learning data structures in Java can open up a world of career opportunities. So, in this series, we will explore a wide range of data structures and how to use them effectively in Java. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer, understanding data structures is crucial for writing efficient and scalable code. Thank you for joining us in this first video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials on data structures in Java. In the next video, we'll dive right into arrays. See you there.